Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp without needing a verification code. But before we dive in, be sure to check out our latest offer just below this video. Let's begin by opening WhatsApp. When you click on the app and tap Agree and Continue, it will prompt you to enter your phone number. After entering your number and clicking Next, WhatsApp will try to send you a verification code. Depending on your network, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. However, there are times when you might not receive the verification code. There are a few things you can check. First, make sure that you have a strong network connection. If you look at the signal bars at the top right corner of the screen, check that they are full or at least strong enough to get a proper signal. If your signal is weak, this could be the reason for the delay in receiving the code. If your signal is fine and you're still not receiving the code, double-check that you've entered the correct phone number. A typo in the number could prevent you from getting the verification message. If you've confirmed everything is correct and you're still facing issues, the best course of action is to reach out to WhatsApp's support team. WhatsApp uses this verification process to ensure your account stays secure, so it's important to resolve any issues. Without it, anyone could potentially access your account. To contact support, tap the three-dot menu icon that appears during the login process. Once you click on Help, you should see an option to submit a support request. If you don't see this, go back to the home screen of WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner again and choose Help, then select Contact Support. Here, you'll need to explain that you're unable to receive the verification code. Be sure to include your phone number, your name, and any additional details that might help them assist you faster. You can even attach screenshots if needed. Once you've filled in all the required details, click Next to send your request to WhatsApp support. If you've provided your phone number, there's a good chance they will respond via SMS. That's the best way to handle the situation if you're still having trouble logging into WhatsApp.